Welcome to Expect Best. We specialize in providing web design, digital marketing, hosting and a ton of other digital solutions. Our experts offer a complete package to meet all your digital needs. And with over 400 happy customers, we've proven ourselves at crafting amazing digital products and services. If you're ready to elevate your brand online with a team that's as passionate as you, Expect Best can help.
Are you an up-and-coming entrepreneur looking to make your mark in the online marketplace? If so, look no further than our Shopify Setup. With Shopify, you can create a sleek and professional online store that's user-friendly, will impress your customers, and drive sales. Consider us the toolbox for your business. We'll provide all the necessary tools and resources to help you build the online store of your dreams. Whether you're selling handmade goods or digital downloads, our Shopify Setup has got you covered. It's like having a personal assistant to guide you through the entire process, from designing your store to optimizing for SEO. So, what are you waiting for? Let our Shopify Setup services help you turn your vision into a reality and join the ranks of successful online entrepreneurs.
At Expect Best, we pride ourselves on delivering a range of online solutions which are tailored to helping businesses generate more leads, more sales, and more exposure. Regardless of your business needs, our professionals are equipped to boost your brand's online presence and will cater to any requirements. We take great pride in having served over 400 satisfied customers, and we've provided customized solutions for each client, with no obligations. Our creative team are committed to turning your digital ideas into a reality. So, for any inquiry, be it a minor or a major project, please feel free to get in touch via our website, or you can call our number on 01202 237 027. Thanks for watching this video. We hope it helps.